Yeah, Maiden flight on it. I put a little bit of on a switch here where it gives it just a little bit of up elevator to help out.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's enough to make a difference. But these things, I always say the points on there to help it javelin in. Not bad.
Yeah, it's fast.
Huh?
It's fast. It's not even half throttle.
Yeah, exactly. We have to dial down the ailerons a smidge.
He's probably doing 50, 55 anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're making these things so light and so powerful.
Wow, and that's on low rates on the ailerons.
We got a hog out there. Probably an armadillo, I guess. Probably what that is out there, armadillo.
Oh yeah? I didn't even look at it yet.
Again. Yeah, the hogs tear it up, but they're really tearing it up bad. We haven't had hogs for a while.
I think they stay on the north side of the river.
Well, until we get a hole in the fence. They make a hole in the fence once in a while. They do some damage.
That thing's quiet.
Yeah,
I didn't even hear it. Did you?
nope. A little tiny swish sound, but no engine sound.
Man, I definitely got to dial down them ailerons. You want to fly it?
No, I don't like jets. Barely fly my biplane.
I saw somebody out at the swap meet. They had a looked like a PT-17 that was made out of chloroplast.
Really?
Yeah.
I've seen one that's not quite as big as mine. He's got it.
I guess I'll land. Yeah, not bad. All right, Stinger 64. That was on the mix for the elevator right there. 15%. In case somebody wants to try that. Decent flying plane. Thanks for watching.